Hello everyone, welcome to Horiwila Osu products. Today we are going to introduce our new product range. Horiwila Osu KESHA PRABODHANEE hair oil and tablet for long thick black hair. 100% ayurvedic result guaranteed product. Horiwila Osu immunoplasties and natural remedies for boosting your immunity level in your body. Horiwila Osu Sandhiwata is a famous herbal oil for preventing all muscles, nerves and joints problems in your body. Horiwila Osu Joint Safe is another product for preventing all joints problems, especially for arthritis condition. Horiwila Osu SHULAHARANI is a quick answer in pain reducing balm, immediately reduce for your all pains and aches in your body. Horiwila Osu Diabof is another product for reducing your high blood sugar level. Horiwila Osu Lipidoff is another miracle product of controlling abdominal lipid levels, obesity, high cholesterol level and fatty liver. Horiwila Osu Calcicea is another product of natural calcium containing that is good for arthritis conditions, joints problems and make your bone strength and make your bone density well. Thanks for watching our Horiwila Osu product. That's a 100% Sri Lankan product.